Hey, it's Larry, and this is actually my Pajero Jr. And if you don't know, the Pajero Jr. is very similar to the Pajero Mini. It's based on the same platform, but it's sold as a regular car in Japan because it's got a 1.1 liter motor. It's about 30 centimeters wider, or it's about a foot wider and a foot longer. It's a more capable car. It's more of a car. It's heavier, things like that. But my gas cap, the thing that my gas flap, that's why it's open, broke. It just suddenly the pin popped out, and I was really stressed out. I thought I had to take apart the entire car just to get to it to replace it. So I ordered a part on Megazip JP. If you don't know, it's a great place to find parts for Japanese cars. And this is the old one. I actually took it out, and then I noticed, when I saw the new one, the original part, I was like, hey, that can just pop out. And it does pop out. So I used interior, clip removers that you can buy at like Harbor Freight or anywhere. And basically I shoved it in here and pop, out it popped. And I was like, damn, thank God. And then the cable is super simple. It's just like doing a bicycle cable. This pops out and the ball goes in here. And in fact, I would show it to you. But anyway, basically this pops out. So this pops out. You can see there's a ball, but you shove the ball in and then just pop it in here and it works. And then you just put it right in. I'm going to put it right in here. Push it in until it pops and it's done. And it works, and that's it. That simple. So you pop it out, put the cable in the new one, pop it in, and you're done. And here, I'll show you. Now, here's the thing here, and we'll watch. And pa-dong, it works. So, yeah, it's like a 30-second fix. So if you ever lose your gas cover pin, super easy to fix. Thanks for watching.